Ggives to Lazada Wallet tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you Ggives to Lazada Wallet tutorial through which you will be able to transfer the money from your Ggives cash account to your Lazada wallet. So in order to transfer the money from your Ggives account to your Lazada wallet, you need to first open your Gcash account, and after that just simply log into your Gcash account using your credentials. And once you're logged into your account, in order to transfer the money, just click on the send icon right on the home screen itself. Just simply click on it, and after that over here on the transfer money section, just click on the cash out section from the screen itself. And now you just need to simply enter the amount of the cash that you would want to transfer into your Lazada wallet. Just simply enter the amount of the cash that you would want to transfer, and after that just simply enter the recipient name and their email address using their Lazada wallet username as well. And after that just simply click on continue and just make the transfer complete. And once the transfer has been completed, just ask the recipient whether they have received their funds in their Lazada wallet or not. Just ask them to open their Lazada wallet, and after that just simply log into your account and just check whether you have received the fund or not. So this is basically how you will be able to do it. So that's the Ggives to Lazada wallet tutorial. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.